Fifth one, write a Python program that prompts a user to input a number and handles a keyboard interrupt exception. Okay, we now handle the keyboard interrupt exception here. Okay, so what is keyboard interrupt exception means? Raised when the user hits the interrupt key, normally Control C or Control Delete or during execution or check for interrupts is made regularly. The exception inherits from the base exception so as to not be accidentally caught by code that causes exception and thus prevent the interrupt from exiting. Okay, so when the user accidentally hit the interrupt key, suppose if you write in the program, if you accidentally hit the key like Control C or whatever like that, so it abruptly stops the execution. So to handle that type of execution, we will use keyboard interrupt key. Okay, first take n is equal to int input. Okay, enter some number. Enter some number, print n. Okay, so just execute now this one. Enter num, so enter Control C. Okay, accidentally if you enter Control C here, see keyboard interrupt. Okay, suddenly it stops the execution here. Okay, so execution will be stopped here. So if you don't want to stop the execution, you will have to handle if you want to handle this situation, how you handle means just write in try block this code. Enter try. Okay, and exit block. So you can handle the exit block. Okay, keyboard interrupt here. Exception and print here. Avoid Control C. Okay, avoid Control C. Whatever you can write in statement. Okay, just Control C here. Okay, just execute again. So enter Control C here. See, enter avoid Control C here. Okay, so like that. So if you want to handle this keyboard interrupt exception, this is